We are here to help you understand ISO 9001-2015. First, a few things about the online training program. You can come and go from the training as you wish. The training will track your progress and give you the option to return to where you left off. You can also navigate through the program using the table of contents. This allows you to revisit any topics that you would like to review. Our training will consist of a series of chapters on key topics that will help you understand the meaning of the requirements found in the standard, including documented information, the process approach, risk-based systems, and the requirements of ISO 9001-2015. Once you complete the training, you will be able to take the final test. The passing grade for the quiz is 75%. If you do not pass, you are able to review the training and try again. Once you pass the quiz, you will be able to print your training certificate. We will start off with a brief introduction to ISO 9001 to make you familiar with the standard. ISO 9001 is an To understand the 2015 revision of ISO 9001, it's important to understand what a process approach is. According to ISO, a process is a set of interrelated or interacting activities that use inputs to deliver an intended result. The ISO 9001 standard requires a process approach during the design and implementation of a quality management system. Often, the output from one activity becomes the input to the next. Clause 4 has requirements for defining both the organization and the management system. It includes 4.1, understanding the organization and its context, 4.2, understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties, 4.3, determining the scope of the quality management system, 4.4, the quality management system and its processes. Let's start with 4.1. What does it mean to understand the organization and its context? Basically, this clause is asking you to understand what your organization does and what internal or external issues might have an impact on what you're trying to achieve. An impact on the quality management system. You will need to show that you understand the purpose of your organization, the structure of your organization, and the challenges that exist that may present a risk to success in achieving your organizational or quality goals. What information would you be looking at? There have been several mentions of operational processes already in the standard. Clause 8 contains the requirements for controlling the processes used to create your product or deliver your service. We will look at each subclause. Operational planning and control, requirements for products and services, design and development of product and services, control of externally provided processes, products and services, production and service provision, release of products and services, and control of non-conforming outputs. Externally provided processes, products, and services will need to be controlled to make sure that they are not having any adverse effect on your ability to deliver conforming product or service. You must make sure that these processes remain controlled by your QMS. Now we will move to Clause 5, Leadership. We see